Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dolly and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about a new brand that is going to launch in India very soon, and that's a brand that I have been very excited about because its makeup philosophy is very similar to that of mine, and which is that makeup should be simple, easy and quick. I am talking about Nudestix, which is a Toronto-based brand. It was started by a mother and her two daughters because the two daughters felt the need for makeup that was really simple, easy, quick and fun. They did not believe in covering your natural beauty under piles and piles of makeup. They wanted it to just they want makeup to just enhance your natural looks and be easy to do on the go. So Nudestix are all about crayons in different kind of finishes, and they are super easy to use. All you have to do is just apply, smudge, you're good to go. Now Nudestix is a cruelty-free brand. Most of the products are gluten-free, they are even vegan. None of the products have any preservatives, and the formulations are amazing. The color payoff, the pigmentation, the longevity, the smoothness of the texture, they're all just amazing. So let me just tell you a little bit more about the products that are going to be launching here in India, and I'll do a quick mini tutorial on this look which was done in a snap. Now each Nudestix crayon comes in a tin like this, so that's very good packaging. It's recyclable. You can use these for whatever else you want. The cover, the lid has a pretty decent sized mirror inside, which is very convenient for doing your makeup on the go. There is a sheet of paper with information on the product. Then you have the actual crayon, and each crayon also comes with a sharpener. Though I don't understand why they gave a cap separately and a sharpener separately. They should have just put the sharpener on top. So this is what the sharpener is like. That's the sharpener, and it has a cap on top. So you just remove this cap, put this on top, and you're good to go. You have your sharpener with your crayon wherever you go. I don't understand, why do they have to give this then? This is not really needed. No, this doesn't fit. If you put the sharpener on top, then it doesn't fit in the tin, which is why they've given it separately. Nevertheless, I really like the whole concept of crayons coming with the sharpeners and the cap. Now each tin can hold up to 6 products, so you have your entire face look in one tin. This is all you need if you're traveling. Initially, Nudestix is only going to be launching some of the bestsellers in India. By February 2019 there will be more collections, and then by October next year I think pretty much everything is going to be here. That is how they have staggered the launches. So there are 5 categories of products. You have the magnetic matte eye color. That is what I'm wearing on my eyes. Now this is the shade Night in the magnetic matte eye color. Now let me just show you the pigmentation. That's one swipe. Did you see that? That's just one swipe. It is so smooth and so creamy. It just glides on, and it is very long lasting too. That's what I'm wearing on my eyes, as you will see in the tutorial. But it is just fantastic. Then there is the magnetic luminous eye color. This is the shade Copper Foil. Again, very smooth, very creamy. Again, that is something I'm wearing on my eyes, but it's just beautiful. And that shade Copper Foil is just, it's the perfect coppery gold for our Indian skin tones. Then we have the magnetic matte lip color, but this is the lip stain. This is the magnetic matte lip color. This is in the shade Burgundy, and look at that. These are just one swipes, just a single swipe, and you can see what amazing intense pigmentation there is. Then we have the intense matte lip and cheek pencil. This is in the shade Purity. How beautiful is that? I'm just doing single swipe so that you can see how amazing that looks. Now Purity is the color I'm wearing on my cheeks. I'm also wearing that on my lips, and it's a beautiful nude. It's just the perfect nude for Indian skin tones. And finally we have the lip and cheek crayons in the creme finish. This is the shade Mystic. Again, single swipe. You can see how creamy that is and yet so pigmented. These are just so beautiful. Purity, in fact, is the perfect nude for Indian skin tones. It's just beautiful. Purity and Mystic both. So Purity if you like mattes and Mystic if you like cream. So now let me just quickly show you how I did this makeup look. Starting with the magnetic eye color in the shade Night, which is an intense black. I'm applying it all over my upper lash line and upper lid and blending it all out with my finger. I'm also applying it on my lower lash line and then smudging it out with a brush, and I'm also neatening out the edges on the lid with a brush. On top of that, I'm applying copper foil to give it a coppery smoky eye kind of look. So this is a kind of look that would look great for parties or even festivities. You know, it's a smoky eye with a little bit of coppery gold in it. And I'm just darkening out and neatening it up and applying the copper foil on the lower lash line as well. A quick coat of mascara and concealer, and I'm also neatening the edges while I'm doing the concealer. And then coming to the cheeks, I'm applying Mystic and blending it out with my fingers. And finally moving on to Purity for my lips, and that's a super quick and easy look done. So I hope you like this video and this quick little tutorial despite my less than perfect skin. This is not a sponsored video. Yes, the products were given to me at the launch event, but this is not a sponsored video. I just love them so much that I wanted to make this video for you guys. They are going to be launching at Sephora on the 21st of October. I have no idea about what the pricing is like, but on Cult Beauty, these are available for £20 each. So I'm assuming their pricing in India would be around 2000 rupees. And as I always say at the end of each video, thank you so much for watching. Please do comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are on these products. Let me know which one you're most excited about. And subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.